I couldn't. Ooh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's a very good. Hotel place in all of Vietnam. Some lady is saying hello to me over here, so I'm gonna go over here. Pho. Okay. I just got my first number. I decided to stop at 999 Coffee, I think it's called. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the sign from here, but I passed this yesterday going into Moc Chau. The dogs here don't really seem to like me too much, as you can hear in the background. I'm not really sure where the actual coffee is. Like, this dog is the type of dog to give you rabies or something. It says coffee that way, but it also says coffee this way, so I'm not really sure. Where? Oh, right here? Oh, okay, cool. So he wants me to move my bike over here. I'll be right back once I move my bike and figure out where the coffee is. So this is the coolest coffee shop ever. There is a staircase for the Rooster, which is awesome. Oh, she was gonna bring me the menu, but then she walked away. I don't know if she's camera shy or not. I was like, oh, cool, a staircase. I'm gonna drink my coffee up there. But that is actually where the Rooster drinks his coffee, as you can see right there. So the coffee in Vietnam is much different than in America. It's not like here it's like creamy. It's a very like creamy consistency kind of. I don't know how to describe it, but I mean, if you take a look at it, wait. See how it's like a little bit more creamy? I love it. It's so strong. I couldn't. Ooh. Wow. Now, I couldn't figure out how to use the sink at my homestay this morning, so I need to find a place to brush my teeth. I also couldn't figure out how to use the shower there either, so I'm gonna try and check in early to a place for tonight in Moc Chau as well. Not a bad spot to have a cup of coffee, not a bad spot at all. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I think it's pretty funny that all the tourists around here in Moc Chau are from Vietnam. Like, you know, I ask people, you know, where are you from? They go, I'm from Vietnam. You know, yeah, I'm loving these motorbike vlogs though. So much fun. I hope the audio is picking up on all these, because I have more vlogs on these motorbikes than anything else. I also just feel most comfortable on my motorbike vlogging than walking around the street vlogging, you know? Which is funny because not exactly the safest thing ever. No, these dogs are so scared of me. I'm at the most beautiful hotel place in all of Vietnam, in my opinion. Super cool, if you can see it in the background, but it's completely booked. And he told me to come back at 10 a.m. and he won't have a room for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really just want to brush my teeth, take a shower, but I'm gonna have to shoot the shit for another 3 more hours. So let's see what I can get myself into. Put some breakfast place into my GPS, and I think it was supposed to be over here, but some lady is saying hello to me over here, so I'm gonna go over here and see what this is all about. She seems really friendly, so I'm excited. Hello, hello. I'm hungry. I want some food. All right, all right. Thank you, thank you. What do we have here? What is this? Oh, wow. Pho. Yeah, whatever, anything. I'm very hungry. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm gonna sit over here. All right, it looks like another pho restaurant or something. Let's see how she cooks it. I'm very interested. Hello. Let's see. What do we got here? I'm very hungry. What is in here? Oh. This is awesome. How are you? Where are you from? Here? Mok Chao?
No.
Mok Chao? I think she's from Mok Chao. Wait, let me get Google Translator so I can talk to you. She seems very nice. Here. Where are you from? All right. What is this? Can I have some of this? Looks like we got some tea here. This is really good. Major communication issues. She didn't understand what I meant when I said, "Where are you from?" So much. Wait, do you have a water bottle for drinking? Over here? Let's see what I got here. I think I'll just rip a Coca-Cola. I don't know if she has water, but a Coke will do. Look at this, guys. I have no fucking idea what kind of meat that is. Super nice lady though. Flagging me down from the middle of the street. All right, let's dig in. I'll show you guys one last time what this looks like. What? I just got my first number, a Vietnamese woman's number. Okay, and then call.
Đây là kết bạn Zalo đấy.
Zalo, yes, I call you tonight.
Các bạn Zalo nhưng sai rồi. Đây.
Yeah, there we go. All right, okay, I call you. Okay. Word up, dude, that's fire. Let's go. This is my new girlfriend. I found myself a wife, guys. All right. How much? This is my camera. My camera, yes. I talk to myself because I'm alone. Yes. Hello. How much for the pho? It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. That was really good food. Yeah, so she gave me her number. I don't know what to do with that. I think I'm gonna walk around for a little while though. Looks like I finally found myself a Vietnamese wife. This is what I've been waiting for, guys. This is what I came to Vietnam for, guys. More beautiful woodwork. Some tea. Hello. Yes, I want some tea. Oh, yes. Yes, thank you so much. Hello. Oh, yes, I love tea.
Nước chè.
Beautiful. Vietnam.
Việt Nam.
Ooh.
Không. No.
Oh. Let me see. Tan Quang.
Tân Cương, Thái
Tan
Nguyên.
Quang Thái Nguyen.
Ôi trời ơi.
Very good, yes. Yeah, it's very good. I love tea.
Giỏi quá.
Tea.
Giỏi quá.
Giỏi quá. Giỏi quá.
Ngon không?
Oh wow, this is really good. Yes.
Ồ.
Wow. Yes. Oolong.
2.
Yes.
4, 5.
3, 4, 5, 6.
600.
6.
600.
Okay.
600.
I really like this. Wow.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
Ê.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. So I just had tea with those ladies for approximately like 30 minutes at least. I swear to God. That was awesome. She was teaching me tons of different words in Vietnamese. She was showing me everything around her. She's like, tree. This is, my glasses are king. Che is tea. Yeah, it was very difficult though. She kept going at it with the Vietnamese. It was very difficult. Yeah, it's super cool. Mok Chau is awesome to walk around in because, I mean, at least in the daytime, everyone's like, hey, come over here. It's super fun. So I'm gonna drive around for a little bit and try and find some more stuff to do. It's really fun. A lot of really nice people around here. I'm making my way back now. Oh my God, these mosquitoes are fucked, dude. I'm about to check into my room right now. I'll show you guys what that looks like.
Chị đến đây.